Now bit 333 on the net, all done.
So it's going to go mad up, mate.
I don't think you'll see another like that.
Personally, but...
No, I didn't even know what it was worth. I didn't even know there was a rally edition.
You're not my eye.
What's happening?
I've got a flicky eye. Keeps, like, twitching.
You got trapped nerve.
Can I die from that?
Stumbling through the undergrowth. As we're actually, it's Thursday and we haven't been to an auction for a long time, and we're not going to one today either. But we're going to look online, and I've stumbled across this little beauty of an Abarth 695, right? And I'm going to show you this. This is registered 24th of the 10th, 2023. But the variant is 1.4 T-Jet, 180 brake, Tributo 131.
What does that mean?
I've never heard of one before, but it's a rally. It's an Abarth rally, so the spec is far greater than the rest of them. And there was only, this is special edition, one of 695 ever made. What was you going to say, Sarah?
I was going to say, so because it's a rally car, can it not really be driven on normal roads?
Yeah, it's road legal.
Oh, okay. I thought I would just wonder why it had 3 keepers on it.
Yeah, that's what I don't get.
6,000 miles.
Yeah, it's only done 6,500 miles, but it's had 3 owners. So
I reckon them people may have had like midlife crisis and just brought it out of...
Well, it's a kind of collector's car.
Yeah, but then realise, oh, actually...
I don't know. There's got to be a story behind this, because it's very strange.
If anyone's ever owned it, who's watching...
That's a good idea. Let us know.
Let us know the story.
It's got a dual mode exhaust system. Coney frequency selective damping suspension. So, as standard. So I don't know what that means, but yeah, the suspension's upgraded. Right, we're doing a bit of home auctioning tonight because look how red I am because I've been out in the cold all day. My skin's literally burning. It's been freezing today. What's Sarah doing? Oh, Sarah's eating her dinner, look. So we're at auction, online auction, from our living room. How about that? So you can't ask for any more than that. Let me just pause on this. Right, so there's a couple of exciting things I want to look at tonight, but mainly let's see what sort of value things are going for in general at a UK car auction.
Little SLK, she is then. It's 2003. There's no MOT. Does come from a garage, that one. She is the 3.2 on the Mercedes then for that. Straight in the car for that then. 300 again on that. 300 back bit. At 300 now for the Merc for that. 333 it is. 3 bit 3 and 50 down. 350. 350 at 350, yeah, 350, 350, 350, 350, all done at £350 goes 350, okay.
Now this one looks a nice little bargain.
And number 6 then, the Peugeot, little Peugeot 207, the HDI 2010 years MOT to the 20th of November on the little car for that one. That's fresh in as well. Where's that? £200 away for that. 250 down, 350, 4 bit, 450 down, 450, 450, 450, 450. At 455 on the bike, 550, 550, 550 down, 550 all done. At 550, that's on sale. Number and pop round.
So far, these are cheap little motors, aren't they?
And lot 7 again, fresh in there. Little Yaris now, 2004. She is MOT to the 13th of February next year. And they warranty the miles as well on it, on this little Toyota. Where's that? Straight in, 300 again for that. £300 for the Yaris in 350, 350 bet. 350 down, 350 only, 350, 350. At 350 down, 350, 350, 350, 4 in the middle bit, 4 bit. And £400 down, 4 bit. 4 gone, 4, quite sure. £400 only. What's your number? We'll try 400. And number 9, the Corsa, the The EcoFlex then is 2013. This one again fresh in MOT to the 17th of July there. 77,000 showing on the little Corsa for that one. Straight in for that. 150 on that. 150 now. 200 pound bit. 2 on the buy. At 200 pound in. 250. 300 back. 3 bit 50. 350 down. 350. 350 at 350. 4 bit 50. 450. 450 down. 450. 450. 450. 455 on the net with us. 5 hit. 5 at it. And 500 pound down. 5 you're all done. 50. 550. 550. 550 in front of me goes in at 550. It's on sale. Come straight round. 550.
We'll definitely have had that, to be fair, if we were down there. And this, to be fair. Take a look at this one.
And number 12 now, the Hyundai little i10 Premium. 2014 it is an MOT to the 27th of September, this one. £30 tax bracket as well on the little car for that one. Straight in for the car for that there. 300 only on that. 350 got. 350 down for. 4 bit 50, 4, 5, 500, 550, 550, 6, 600 only on the car for that. 650 now. 650, 650, 650 there. 650, 7 bit. 7 below bid, 7, quite sure. At £700 away it is then on sale. And number 13 there, the little Fiat 500. Comes from a local garage, this one. She's 2010. Has been a category S then, but numerous invoices and service history with it. Pan roof. Cheap way into one of those for the little Fiat for that. Straight in for that. 200 only bit. 200 here, 250 now, 250 bit. 250, 250, 250, 250, 250. At 250, 300 pound to me, 3 bit. 3 there. At 300 now bit, 3 on the net, all done.
So it's going to go mad up, right?
What?
From the same place, the little Panda.
Right.
On the little Panda now, 2009.
Hang on, I'm getting carried away, sir.
No.
Good history with it. On the little Panda for
You
that
come
one.
on.
Waiting for that 10. 200 again on that. 200 and 250 below me. 250. At 250 pound a day. 250.
No.
250 all done.
What have you brought?
250, I'll let you know.
Well, more for you. You haven't even done any checks on these cars.
And number 15.
Don't even go there because you look like a beetroot.
I know. It's because I'm in the warmth. Got to take this thing off now, actually. Ready? Going to do some magic. 3, 2, 1. There you go. What do you reckon, Ted? 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 So I bought that little one for spares. Obviously, Sarah thinks that I've gone and spent stupid money on a car that I haven't checked. But I've just bought, basically, a scrap car for spares. She just doesn't understand that yet. And this is the one that we've all been waiting for. Well, you haven't probably been waiting for, but it's the one I've been waiting for sure. And I think Sarah's got quite a bit of interest in it as well. And it is a top spec car. Don't quite know who the potential buyer would be. I would say it's probably going to be someone that is going to buy it and put it in the garage and keep it safe and have it for 20 years with a sheet over it or in airtight. I don't think it's...
What I'm asking, is it going to sell though? Because...
What you saying?
I don't think it's going to sell.
No. Who is going to buy that for that kind of money? Huh? The strangest thing is, it's only 3 years old and it's had 3 owners, so it's had an owner every single year and it's only done 6,500 miles. So I think the cap clean on it was like 23, 24 grand.
Yeah.
Jesus.
That's what I mean. I don't think it's going to go.
No.
I think it's in the wrong auction.
No, there's loads of other ones, nice ones here, but I don't know.
They're not for that price.
Well, let's see how it gets on.
Right, really nice, unusual thing now. 124, the Abarth 695 Tributo Rally 2023. MOT still non-applicable, 6,500 miles warranted on it. Lovely little thing. We're straight in and that at £18,000. 18,000 I got on that. 18,500. 19,000. 19,500. 19,500. 20,000. 20,500, 21, 21,500 with us, 22, 22,000 in the room, 22, 22, 22,000 below me, all done on that at 22, 22,500 on the net, 22,500 and it's on sale at that, 22,500, 22,500 all done, 22,500 sold on the net. I don't think you'll see another like that.
I think someone who's going to buy that, who's bought that, is either
Collector.
a collector or they've
Fanatic.
got a fanatic.
Silly.
No, not silly, because if I had the money I'd buy it and then probably store it. I wouldn't use it though, because in 20 years time it's going to be valuable, I would say.
Quadruple.
There's only 695 made, but
in the world.
You could also, if you had a prestige showroom, you would want that in your showroom.
Maybe somebody who's got a museum brought it.
Museum, there's another one. But it was mad because, as you're saying, it was in the hall, and then right at the last minute, online bid, bash.
For somebody definitely wanted
22.5 bags. So.
I didn't think it was going to sell personally, but.
No, I didn't even know what it was worth. I didn't even know there was a rally edition.
No, you don't. You're not a fanatic then, are you?
I'm learning.
You took the game a bit. If you're going
I didn't know. I was thinking like 10 grand tops, like.
Well, no, because it was the cap on it. What was the cap on it? 20?
Yeah, no, but without seeing that, do you know what I mean? I need to do some research on what these cars actually are, because they're obviously special. Very special.
Come across it, didn't I?
Yeah.
And I said, oh, there's an Abarth going through. And then obviously you did a bit of research. I didn't think it would go for that much myself personally.
No.
I was thinking probably about, I don't know.
Intrigued in that. So I'm going to do a bit of research on.
You haven't brought it, so why do you need to be intrigued now? We are.
Right, so it's Sunday.
No, it's not. It's Friday.
It's Sunday. It's Friday today, but Sunday when you're watching. So have a lovely weekend, what's left of it. A lovely evening. And
hope you've had a lovely weekend.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
I'm going to watch a dance show this weekend.
Yeah, you'd have already watched it by the time these watch this.
Yeah, I would have done. I'll let you know how she gets on. It's not me, I'm not dancing.
Yeah.
Greggy's in his tutu.
Right.
Tutu in his ballet.
We better go. See you later.
Bye.